In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a neumorphism effect in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a rectangle or square shape on the canvas. With the shape selected, increase the corner radius to give it a smooth and rounded appearance. Next, choose a light background color for both the frame and the shape. Neumorphism works best when the shape color closely matches the background color. Now go to the Effects section and add a drop shadow. Adjust the shadow settings so the shadow appears slightly below and to the right of the shape. Reduce the opacity and increase the blur to create a soft, subtle shadow. Add a second drop shadow effect. For this shadow, use a white color and position it slightly above and to the left of the shape. This creates a soft highlight that mimics a light source. Together, these two shadows create the raised neumorphic appearance. To create a pressed or inset effect, duplicate the shape and resize it slightly smaller. Remove the drop shadows and add inner shadow effects instead. Create one darker inner shadow positioned toward the bottom right and one lighter inner shadow positioned toward the top left. Adjust the blur and opacity values until the shape appears softly pressed into the surface. You can experiment with different corner radius values, shadow distances, blur amounts, and colors to achieve the exact neumorphic style you want. Neumorphism is all about subtle shadows, soft highlights, and smooth surfaces, so small adjustments can make a big difference. And that's it. You've successfully created a neumorphism effect in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.